This is the introduction of Solidwork 2012. So we click on new and choose part to start our drawing. So as you can see, there's a lot of icon in features, sketch, sheet metal, evaluate, dim expert, and office product. To start our drawing, click on sketch and choose any icon of shape that you want to make, such as I click on rectangular. So it's up to you to start your drawing on front plane, top plane, or right plane. I make my first drawing on front plane. This is a view orientation that we can change the style of view, which is in top, left, front, right, back, bottom, normal. We also can see it as in single view, two view which is vertical, and four view. So I choose front view to start my drawing. Then I make a rectangle here. So I want to make a dimension for my rectangle. So I click on smart dimension. So I click on this line. So I drag here and I have the white dimension. So I want it in 100 millimeters. Okay. Then I also want to make dimension for other side. So I click in here, drag bottom. So I want it in 150 millimeters. Like that. Do not forget that you must do click right for every shape that you have made. So I click. Then I want to make a circle in my rectangle. So I click a circle icon and I make a circle on it. Click, and we can adjust the radius in here. Says I want it in 200 millimeters. So we have the 200 millimeters circle. Then click on right. You can also make another shape such as in polygon, ellipse, arc, line. It's up to you to make another shape according your object that you want to make. Then I want to make a line. So I'll make a line like this. And another line. If you want to trim something, just click on trim entities, and it's up to you to choose whether you want to make a power trim, corner trim, trim away inside, trim away outside, trim to closet. For example, I choose corner. Click on these two line. To put a text on it, just click on text icon, type of text, then untick so that you can adjust the font style, height, and effect. So I want it in Times New Roman, regular, height in point, which is 28, and underline. Click OK. Right button. Then move it. You can move it. Next, we want to make a offset. So click on offset entities, click on object, Then we can adjust the parameters, which is in 20 something, enter, and we will have the offset here. Right click. Then we also can make a fillet or chamfer. So click on this two line. Then we also can adjust the parameter here, which is I want it in 30. So right click. So we will have the fillet in here. Then I also can make it in chamfer, which is I choose this line, adjust the parameters, which is 30. Right click, right, and we will have the chamfer there.
First, we are going to start with the dimensioning. Click on the Smart Dimension. I want to have this length 100 millimeters. Enter the value. Click on the green button. Then, we will do the same for the other lines. Click on this line and this line. I want to have the lines of 60 millimeters. Click on the green button. Okay. Now we are going to do the center lines. How we are going to have a center lines? Again, click on the Smart Dimension. Click on this line. Click on this line and this icon. If you still remember, the actual length of this line is 60 millimeters. So we need to enter the radius. The radius is 30 millimeters. Okay. We will do the same for the other line. Click on the Smart Dimension. Click on this line and the icon. If you still remember, the actual length is 100 millimeters. Now you have to enter the radius. Enter the value 50 millimeters. Click on the green button. There you have it. This is the center lines. Okay, now we are going to extrude this drawing. Click on the base. Click on features and extrude it. Boss or base. Enter the radius. For example, 10 millimeters. It is good enough. Okay, click on the green button. Okay, as you can see, this is the isometric view. You can change to the front view. Click. Okay, this is the front view. Okay, now we are going to sketch some circles. Click on the base. Then start to sketch. We can change the radius. I want to have 10 m. Okay. We will draw another circle. Okay. Can enter the radius of 10. Okay. Now we have two circles. Okay. Change to the isometric view. Now we are going to extrude this circle. Click on features. Click on the extruded boss or base. enter the depth 5 mm. Okay. Then click on the green button. Okay, there you have it. This is the view. Now I will sketch a rectangle. Click on the rectangle button, click on the base and sketch. Okay, this is good enough. Click on the base, click on features. Before you enter the depth, you need to know the base depth. If you want to have a half cut, you can enter only 5 mm. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is the half cut. Now I will draw another rectangle. Click on the base, start to sketch. Okay, this is good enough. Okay, again, click on the base, then click on features, extruded cut. If you want to cut the whole rectangle, you can enter the depth, the base depth. The base depth is 10 mm. Okay, as you can see, the differences change to the front view. Okay, this is how it will look from the front. This is the full extruded cut and this the half extruded cut. Okay, now I will show you how to change the appearances of this object. Click on the base, click this icon. It will show you some types of files. Click to expand the appearances. Then you can have various type of appearances such as plastic, metal, painted, rubber, glass. Okay, for example, choose painted, double click. Okay, there you have it. You have changed the appearances. Now I will show you how to fillet this object. First, you click on the face, then you click the fillet button. Click the second face and you choose the face fillet. Here you can change the radius. Then click OK. Okay, this is how it will look. Okay, next I will show you how to convert this 3D version to 2D part drawing. First, you need to save desktop. Okay. Object 1. Click the new icon. Choose drawing, a 2D engineering drawing typically of a part or SMD. Click OK. Here you can choose either you want to have A4, A3, A2, A1 or A0 size. I will choose A3 size. Click OK. Browse the object that we want to view as 2D drawing. I choose object 1. Not to forget to change the orientation. Create multiple view. You want to show from front side, left side, right side, top and bottom view. Okay, then click the green icon. There you have it. This is how your object will look like in 2D drawing. That's all from our group. Thank you.